repay everyone. Out at sea, danger can strike without warning. Storms, failures, or even a certain reckless act. Today, you'll witness unbelievable moments that will make you feel like you're right there on deck. Let's dive in. The legendary J-class yachts Svea and Topaz suddenly clashed in the starting box, moments before the opening race of the prestigious super yacht competition. Fishermen leap into the sea just seconds before a speeding vessel smashes into their boat, a split-second choice that saved them. A shocking moment as a 235-foot super yacht worth 65 million pounds crashes into a dock after a sudden computer malfunction. Thankfully, no one was injured. A single bundle of pure iron couldn't withstand the rope's immense tension and was suddenly hurled forward with alarming force. A whale capsizes a small fishing boat in Portsmouth Harbor off the New Hampshire coast, leaving onlookers stunned. But thankfully, everyone on